So here, this is one affiliate program that has paid us nearly $500,000 in the past few years. And here is another one that's paid us just over $100,000 in just about a year's time. And this one's what we've promoted almost exclusively here on YouTube. And we did that when we only had around 5,000 or 6,000 subscribers. If you've got a YouTube channel that you want to make some extra money on, affiliate marketing is absolutely the fastest and the easiest way to do that. But what if you've got a small channel, or maybe you're just getting started? Can you still make $1,000 a month or more?
Yeah, Captain Obvious. Isn't that the name of the video?
Yeah. So even if you are a small channel or just getting started, I'm going to show you 3 powerful ways to boost your YouTube income by $1,000 per month or more with affiliate marketing. So let's rock. Now you may already be familiar with affiliate marketing. Almost all major online stores have some sort of affiliate marketing or referral program that you can earn commissions with whenever you refer a customer to them. When the customer makes a purchase, boom, you get a commission. So the most well-known affiliate programs are the ones from online retailers like Amazon, Walmart, Wayfair, and many, many others. Now, those are good affiliate programs, but the problem with that is that the commission rates are pretty low. On average, you're only gonna earn about 4 to maybe 7% of the sale when someone makes a purchase. And if we do the math, that means you're on the low end. You'd need to refer about $15,000 in sales every single month in order to earn $1,000 in commissions. And on the high end, you'd have to refer $25,000 in sales to earn $1,000 in commissions. Now, according to Shopify, the average order value for customers referred from YouTube for them is $37.63. Now, at a 4% commission rate, you'd make about $1.51 per customer. The study also found that video content on YouTube converts at about 1.16%. So that means that in order to earn $1,000 in commissions, you would need to refer about 662 customers. And in order to get 662 customers, if your videos convert at the average rate of 1.16%, you need to get 57,069 views in order to convert 662 customers. Ouch. Now, obviously, we're working with averages here, so this isn't going to be accurate for everyone. Depending on your niche, your audience, effectiveness of your videos, blah, 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 it's going to be different. And yeah, almost impossible for brand new channels. So basically, we need to figure out how to get to $1,000 a month in commissions with way fewer views, so that is within reach for new channels. So there are really 3 ways that you can do this, and I'm going to show you all the math so you can see exactly how doable this really can be for you. Now, the first way is to start promoting high-ticket items. Now, for example, one of the things we love to do here in Florida is kayaking. Now, our house sits on a canal that leads out to the Gulf of Mexico. We see manatees and dolphins, all kinds of fish, and our kayak really lets us experience all of that very up close. Now, we did a lot of research before buying our kayak, and most of that research was actually done on YouTube watching review videos. Now, in the end, we spent thousands of dollars on a Hobie kayak. Now, imagine promoting a product like that with your YouTube videos. Now, the outdoor store, REI, their affiliate program pays 5% commissions. So if you take a kayak like this, which was $3,249, you'd make $162.45 per sale. Now that sounds a lot better than $1.51, right? So this means you only need about 6 sales to reach $1,000. Now, if we assume the same conversion rate, that's potentially only 517 views that you would need in order to refer 6 customers and make about $1,000. So if you promote cheap stuff, you'll need about 57,000 views to make $1,000. If you promote high-ticket items, potentially you can only need 517 views to make $1,000. So now, do I have your attention? I thought so.
So I think you winked the wrong eye.
Yeah, I think I did. So if you lean this way, you link this way, yes. Right? Okay. Okay. So we still have 2 more ways that you can also do this. Now, the next way to easily earn $1,000 in affiliate commissions is to promote products that pay just much higher percentage of the commission. Now, there are affiliate programs that pay anywhere from 20% on the low end up to 50% or more on the high end. These products are almost always digital products, online training courses, software, membership sites, apps. Since digital products have much lower overhead than physical products, sellers can offer much higher commission rates to their affiliate programs. For example, we've gone through several online training courses to learn how to sell products on Amazon. Every single one of them has affiliate programs. So if we refer anyone to those training courses, we get 30 to 50% of the purchase price. Now, the course that we like best, that we recommend the most, costs $1,000, and that pays a 40% commission. So on a product like that, we'd only need to make 3 sales per month to earn $1,200 in commissions. Now, the very first course that we bought cost us $5,000. Now, since a friend of ours referred us to that course, we used her affiliate link to purchase. That affiliate program pays 40% as well. So she made $2,000 when we purchased through her. Imagine making $2,000 by referring one stinking customer. So method number 1 is selling products that just cost more. Method number 2 is selling products that pay higher commissions. Method number 3 is actually our favorite. Now, that is to promote subscription-based products that pay reoccurring commissions month after month after month. These are great because you can build up residual income with every single customer that you refer. For example, The Honest Company has a diapers and white subscription that is $80 a month. They also have an affiliate program that pays 5% commissions. That means that you're making $4 per month per customer, which means that you would need to refer a total of 250 customers to earn $1,000 per month. Now, yeah, that's still a lot of customers, but the great part about this is that you only need to refer a customer once and get paid every single month that they pay their subscription. And just think about how many years people's kids are in diapers. Now, the way we prefer to do this is actually with digital products that are gonna also pay a much higher commission, which is how we make hundreds of thousands of dollars a year, even with a small channel. For example, ActiveCampaign is the email marketing system that we use and we recommend, and it has an affiliate program. So whenever we refer a customer, we get 30% of their subscription fee every single month. Now, ClickFunnels is a funnel building software that we use and that we highly recommend. And we've done a ton of training on it. And guess what? When we train on it, we refer people to use it. Every customer we refer, we get 40% commissions for their membership fee, which is $100 a month. We make $40 per month per customer. So with something like that, we get $1,000 per month for every 25 customers we refer. Now, another program that we use and highly recommend is My Lead System Pro. It's an online marketing system and it pays as much as 50% commissions. But it's programs like these that will have a cumulative effect on your monthly affiliate marketing income, because you're not just getting a one-time sale, you're getting recurring monthly residual incomes for every single customer that you refer. So just to think about how doable this really is, imagine simply referring one customer every 2 weeks through your videos to something like ClickFunnels. By the end of the year, you'd have 26 people that would be making recurring payments, and you'd be making $1,040 per month. Now, that, ladies and gentlemen, that is how small channels without a ton of views can make significant $1,000 a month or more through affiliate marketing. Now, if you want to learn exactly how to create those videos on YouTube that are going to bring you affiliate sales, plus examples of small channels who are making just crazy amounts of money with affiliate marketing, you definitely want to watch this video next, upper right corner of your screen or at the top of the description. Click that one next, and I'll see you there. Take care.